Today we're at Gault Industries, partner of Normandy Aerospace, and we are going to talk about laser cutting. The laser cutting is an industrial process of computer-assisted manufacturing. It consists in cutting material, mainly metal, in the industry with a laser. Specifically, the laser, which can be defined by a beam of light of very high density, will focus on a reduced area of material to raise its temperature until vaporization of this material. It will then follow a pattern that will be defined by the 2D model loaded in the machine to delimit the contours of the part to be manufactured in the metal sheet. The laser can be either pulsed. We will speak then about a source of type YAG, or continuous. We will speak then about a source of type CO2 or nitrogen, as here at Gault Industries, with these two cutting machines with CO2 source. With the CO2 source, we will rather cut fine metals, which will require a little less power. On the other hand, the YAG type source will be used to cut thicker metals or thicker plates. This will require additional energy expenditure. Widely used in the automotive industry, like here at Gault Industries, laser cutting is a very versatile technology that will allow it to be present in most major industries. It is used in aeronautics, defense, the naval industry, the food industry, the medical industry, and even the manufacture of urban furniture. We can cite three main advantages of laser cutting. The first is its high precision compared to machining. We're going to get close to a tolerance of 1 millimeter, allowing us to manufacture very detailed parts. We will also have its speed, indeed requiring few adjustments and generating very little waste. We will link the manufacturing tasks very quickly, allowing a greater productivity. And finally, we can mention its ease of use that allows, with a reduced learning, to implement a multitude of applications. Not to mention only qualities to this technology, we will cite at least one defect. It is very energy consuming. It will have to spend a lot of energy to have the necessary power in the laser to cut some metals more robust or some plates of thicker sheets.